Everyone, a very good evening. Welcome to Vidadri. ఈ రోజు లైవ్ సెషన్లో మనం డిఫరెంట్ శారీస్ చూడబోతున్నాం. సో ఆర్ని పట్టు శారీస్ అనమాట. కలెక్షన్స్ చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్ ఉంది. కలర్ కాంబినేషన్స్ ఇస్ ఆల్సో వెరీ బ్యూటిఫుల్ అండ్ డిఫరెంట్. అండ్ మనకి వైజాగ్లో ముగ్ధావారి ద గ్రేట్ ఇండియన్ హ్యాండ్లూమ్ ఫెస్టివల్ జరుగుతుంది. టుమారో ఇస్ ద లాస్ట్ డేట్. Go and get your collections over there. We have got some wide range of collections which is in Park Hotel, Beach Road, Visakhapatnam. So don't miss out. And ee roju collections anni Arni Pattu. So mine is one of the beautiful color, light sea green with pink color combination. Border lo vachesi manaki checks with butties vastundi. And saree is simple and elegant. Color is one of the prettiest color. And meeku nachina sarees anni meeru twaraga screenshot tisi ee number ki message cheyochu. The orders number. So such that me favorite saree sold out avukunda untundi and you can get your saree as soon as possible at your doorstep. And manki festival season kuda vastundi. This will be the perfect fit. I'll show you the sarees one by one right now. This is one of the beautiful color. Do stay on the live. Don't go out such that you will find your favorite collection. And these are the Arni Pattu sarees which are very lightweight and soft sarees which are very pretty and are at the best affordable cost and best offer price lo undi. And the saree is having tiny butties. Such a beautiful color. It's a grape wine color which is light in color and two borders running on either side. Simple and pretty. And this is the pallu. Pallu vachesi manaki grand ostundandi. Manchi designer which is with a golden weave looking very elegant with an intricate pattern. And for this we have got a blouse. So the plain blouse comes like this. So we can pair it up like this. Manam stone works kani kundan works kani kuda chesukochu. And the saree is priced at 17,099. So these are the beautiful collections andi. Manamki festivals kuda vastunayi. Recent manki దగ్గరలో ఉన్న ఫెస్టివల్ వరలక్ష్మి వ్రతం. సో దానికి కూడా ఈ సారీస్ చాలా బాగుంటుంది. See, this is one of the beautiful colors, suits for all the age groups. Such a lovely color. So this is blue with green color bottom. Such a lovely combination. Manaki borders anni kuda simple and elegant ga vastundandi ee collection lo. And body of the saree is having beautiful butties running throughout the body. Lovely color. This is sky blue with a green color combination. This is the pallu. So pallu comes with a beautiful design. మొత్తం కూడా ఇంట్రిక్ ప్యాటర్న్స్తో చాలా చక్కగా వీవ్ వస్తుంది. మనం ఇలా సింగిల్గా కూడా మనం ఫ్లాంట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. సచ్ అ బ్యూటిఫుల్ కలర్. అండ్ హియర్ ఈస్ అ బ్లౌజ్. సో బ్లౌజ్ ఆల్సో కమ్స్ యాజ్ అ సింపుల్ అండ్ ఎలిగెంట్ కాంబినేషన్. యూ కెన్ గో విత్ సమ్ డిజైనర్స్ ఆర్ మగ్గం వర్క్స్ కూడా చేసుకోవచ్చు. అండ్ ద సారీ ఈస్ ప్రైస్డ్ ఎట్ 14,999. Such a lovely colors we have got today. Some of the unique colors too. I hope you will love all the collections. This is one more bright color, brown color andi. Copper zari tho vastundi saree. And this is a skirt border, you can see very big. So manam pleats pettukunnappudu chaala chakkaga untundi. So that's the beauty and current trend right now. The bigger borders are the right trend and the body of the saree mottham kuda manaki copper weave. So even the border and the body of the saree mottham kuda manaki copper zari tho vastundi. And here is the pallu with diamonds and intricate pattern looking very lovely. And this saree is composed of full of copper weave only. And this is the blouse with the same running color combination and design. If you want even you can go with some contrast colors. This saree is priced at 26,649. We'll move on to the next color. Very beautiful and gorgeous color. This one is dark violet with brick color combination. The border is so beautiful, simple and elegant. And the body of the saree is a highlight with beautiful butties running throughout. And here is the pallu. So pallu comes with copper zari. Mottam kuda beautiful diamond checks to chaala chakkaga weave vastundandi. The detailing is clear. And manam ila single ga kuda flaunt chesukochu. And it will be good if we steps pettukunnappudu. And this is the blouse. So blouse comes with a brick color combination. Perfect contrast. You can pair up with bell sleeves. And this saree is priced at 14,999. Such a beautiful sarees. And మీరు ఈ నంబర్ బోర్డ్ స్క్రీన్షాట్ తీసుకోండి such that you don't miss out your favorite saree and immediately order చేసేయండి. So we have only one single color from each. So the colors are rare. This is one of the rare color, candy color with green color combination. Such a beautiful one. And the body of the saree comes with the stripes pattern which is a current trend right now, and this saree suits for all the traditional occasions andi. Chala beautiful collections. And this is the pallu. So pallu comes with diamond patterns, which is with a copper weave and the intricate design. And here comes the blouse. So the blouse is simple and elegant. Manam stone works or embroidery work chesukochu to make it more bright and elegant. And this saree is priced at 17,099. These are the Vidatri special collections andi. You can even visit our store to see few more collections, which is Vidatri Shopping Mall, PVP Lane, Vijayawada. We are open till 9 p.m. every day. And this is dark pink. So magenta pink kostundi, and you can see the body of the saree is having parallel lines, which is beautiful booties and two plain borders running on both sides, which is light pink color. Such a beautiful combination andi. Ee saree kuda all age groups people ki set avutundi. And this is the pallu. So pallu comes with bigger diamond checks, which is in a cross diagonal pattern. Copper zari tho vastundi. And for this we have got the blouse. So the same border color. The blouse is also pretty combination. You can pair up with designers. And this saree is priced at 17,099. Such a lovely color combinations andi. Sarees are very, very beautiful. This is dark green color. Check pattern vastundi. It's like a traditional model. It's a pure traditional with silver line checks. And border kuda manki silver color border vastundi with beautiful copper booties. Such a lovely color combination, looking very awesome. And here is the pallu. So pallu comes with silver zari, looking very elegant and classy. Rendu silver zaris are always classy andi. You can go with this. And here is the blouse. So the blouse comes with plain one. You can go with some stone works. It looks pretty. And this saree is priced at 17,649. These are the beautiful lightweight sarees andi. Even manki weddings ki kuda chala baaguntundi collection. Chala lightweight and it looks so beautiful on everyone. This is light grey color combination with green color border. Very different color combination. So the body of the saree comes with stripes pattern and the border comes with elegance, simple and pretty. And this is the pallu. So pallu comes with copper zari intricate pattern, looking very lovely. And deenki combination ga manki copper borders to blouse vastundandi, which is dark green color. And this is how you can team up. You can go with the half sleeves. And this saree is priced at 17,099. We'll see one more beautiful color. This is brown color andi. Such a lovely saree and collection is also so beautiful. And idochi manki festival wear ga chala baaguntundi. Such a decent color. And the body of the saree is having golden and silver color booties running throughout. Ekkada kuda space ledu. Chala beautiful and grand ga undi. And the border is simple and elegant. So the body of the saree gets highlight. And here is the pallu. So the pallu comes with silver zari, which is very beautiful with brocade pattern. And manaki blouse vachesariki same border color vastundi, which is with the silver zari. And this is how you can team up. Such a lovely color combination. Don't miss out the saree. And this saree is priced at 22,999. We'll move on to the next bright color. So this is one of the beautiful color andi. Yellow color, so it gives you a glow up anamata. Anta beautiful saree. And this comes with the black and pink color border combination. You can see the difference, how beautiful it is. Chuddani kuda chala traditional ga lightweight saree, pretty and elegant. This is the pallu. So pallu comes with a plain golden zari combination andi. And deenki thread work kuda vastundi at the as a finish. And here is the blouse. So the blouse comes with a contrast color with a beautiful border. And this is how you can team up. This saree is priced at 14,999. Very beautiful colors. Hope you are loving the live. Colors are so pretty. And this is violet color with cream color border. Such a lovely combination. So ఇది కూడా మనకి ట్రెడిషనల్ ప్యాటర్న్ లో వస్తుందండి. చెక్స్ golden color line checks వస్తుంది సారీలో. And you can even see the peacock designs inside the blocks. Such a beautiful one. And the border comes with a cream color with golden color zari border. And this is the very simple and elegant with a golden zari work, looking very classy. Manchi combination suits for all the age groups. And here's the blouse. So blouse which is simple and elegant and you can go with some maggam works or stone work, and the saree is priced at 12,999. So Arni Pattu sarees andi, these are the Vidatri special collections which are at the best offer price. Don't miss out these collections. This is green color with navy blue color border, such a awesome combination. And మీరు వెంటనే ఆర్డర్ చేయాలనుకుంటే you can take the screenshot and message to this number 73963820067. And this is green with navy blue color, such a awesome combination, and the border is very elegant, which is with a traditional design pattern with a golden zari. And this is the pallu, looking very beautiful with golden color combination and an intricate pattern. Such a lovely color combination and navy blue with green. And here is the blouse. So the blouse comes with self embossed pattern and a beautiful border, and this is how you can team up. The border itself looks very beautiful, so chala baguntundi. And the saree is priced at 18,999. And here comes the next beautiful color. This is one of such a kind olive color with brown color border, very traditional, and you can see the combination, so beautiful. And the body of the saree comes with a light stripes pattern throughout the body, and border kuda manaki bottom lo pedda border vastundi with traditional design pattern with a golden weave. And here is the pallu, such a beautiful pallu with golden zari andi, chala chakkaga undi combination. And here is the blouse, very beautiful, and this is how you can team up. This saree is priced at 22,999. Such a lovely colors today. Everything is bright and beautiful, and these will be perfect fit for the Varalakshmi Vratam andi. Anta beautiful sarees, light weight undi, manam ekku sepu poojalo kuchunna manaki em antinchadu, anta light weight sarees. This is pink color with navy blue color border. It's a traditional border. You can see the design pattern, chala beautifully designed, which is with a golden weave. And the body of the saree comes with beautiful booties, lovely color combination. And this is the pallu. Pallu comes with a grand look. Manam single ga kuda flaunt chesukochu. We have got some intricate patterns and thread finish kuda ostundandi saree ki. And here is the blouse. So the blouse comes with a self embossed pattern and a beautiful border. This is how you can team up. And this saree is priced at 18,999. And the next color, this is one of the fancy color, black with yellow. So this goes well with the Chandi occasions andi, chala beautiful color. And the body of the saree comes with silver line checks, which is square shape pattern. And border vachesariki manaki yellow color with temples vastundi. Such a lovely design, which is simple and elegant. And this is the pallu. The pallu comes with a contrast red color with stripes pattern. And deenki blouse vachesi contrast blouse vastundandi, the red color, so with a beautiful border. So this is tied up, and thread finish kuda vastundi. And this saree is priced at 13,999. We'll move on to the next color. This is maroon color andi, such a lovely color. Border vachesi traditional border vastundi. It's a khadi zari border running on either sides. So it's a khadi, plain khadi border vastundi, and the body of the saree is the highlight with beautiful booties running throughout with silver and golden zari. And this is the pallu. So pallu is very, very beautiful andi, manchi intricate pattern tho, manchi designs tho ochindi with a cross checks. And here is the blouse. So the blouse comes with a light pinkish shade, wine color. And this is the border, so thin border vastundi. We can go with the half sleeves. And this saree is priced at 17,649. Such a lovely color combination. Here comes one of the most favorite color, the green color andi, leaf green color with brown color bottom. And the body of the saree comes with beautiful designs, which is with tiny booties. Very classy and elegant. Such a lovely color combination andi. Don't miss out this saree. We have only single piece color, and hurry up. And this is the pallu. So the pallu comes with a copper zari and traditional designs, antique pattern. And here is the blouse. So blouse is simple and elegant, and this is how you can team up. Manam maggam works or stone works chesukochu. And this saree is priced at 13,299. The lovely collections of Vidatri, which are at the best viewers price. These are the Arni Pattu sarees andi. Beautiful and lovely collections. This is orange with brown color combination. So it's a little bit dark, and the body of the saree comes with the tiny butties, which is with silver color, chala tiny ga undi. And here is the pallu. So the pallu comes with beautiful florals, which is with a copper weave, looking very elegant. And for this we have got the blouse. So this is the blouse with a thin border, and this is how you can team up. Lovely combinations. And the saree is priced at 15,299. We have got almost everything with the perfect contrast, and even the blouses. And this is one of the beautiful color, blue color. This color suits for everyone, and the body of the saree comes with check pattern, and border వచ్చేసి మనకి violet color border వస్తుంది with golden and silver color designs at the center. Chala lovely combination. Hurry up and book this saree. This color is so beautiful. And this is the pallu. So the pallu comes with more traditional pattern and a brocade design, which is filled, the contrast color. And here is the blouse. So the blouse is elegant with a thin border. And this saree is priced at 13,599. We'll move on to the last one for today. This is violet color with మనకి ఇది వచ్చేసి రాణి పింక్ కలర్ వస్తుందండి. సచ్ అ లవ్లీ కలర్. ద సారీ ఈస్ వెరీ ప్రిటీ అండ్ బోత్ ఆర్ బ్రైట్ కలర్స్, అండ్ దిస్ కలర్ సూట్స్ ఫర్ ఆల్ ద ఏజ్ గ్రూప్స్. అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ ద పల్లు. సో పల్లు కూడా మంచి కాంబినేషన్ వస్తుందండి, బ్యూటిఫుల్ అండ్ ఎలిగెంట్. అండ్ హియర్ ఇస్ ద బ్లౌజ్. సో ద బ్లౌజ్ కమ్స్ లైక్ దిస్. యూ కెన్ గో విత్ సమ్ మగం వర్క్స్ ఆర్ కుందన్ వర్క్స్. And this saree is priced at 17,099. Such a lovely collections today, right? I hope you loved the live session today, and memo live mali save chestamandi. You can go through all the sarees again and find your favorite and message to our team for orders. The number is 7396382067. So we are available all the time. You can book at any time. And Vizag lo mana Mugdhavari, the Great Indian Handloom Festival jarutundi. Tomorrow is the last date, so please do go and visit the Park Hotel, Beach Road, Visakhapatnam. We have got wide range of collections over there, and you can even visit our store, which is Vidatri Shopping Mall, PVP Lane, Vijayawada, which is open till 9 p.m. every day. And again, we'll be back with another beautiful range of collections tomorrow. Till then, good night.